Have you ever loved and lost? Efren Medina Jr., the Tawag ng Tanghalan in Showtime Season 4 weekly finalist, singer, songwriter, engineer, and Phil's Cup member, pours his heart into his debut album, Efren Medina Jr., The Sentimental Balladeer, Volume 1. Get ready for a journey of love, longing, and hope, all wrapped in 12 beautiful original compositions. Please come back home. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Kahit saan, basta't kasama ka. Angkas na. U-turn. Hanggang dito na lamang. Batid kong ikaw na nga. Ayoko nang mangarap pa. Binibining bank teller. Bisig ng pagmamahal. Musikero, musikera. And ang aking kublihan. Efren Medina Jr., The Sentimental Balladeer, Volume 1, coming soon. Prepare to be swept away by a collection of songs that will touch your soul. Be there to celebrate the release of Efren Medina Jr.'s debut album. This May 18, 2024 at Pit 88 Resto Bar in Marikina City. The music starts at 7 p.m. Be there to celebrate the release of Efren Medina Jr.'s debut album.